Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Adams. We're going to go over really quick what our health notebooks are going to look like. We will be using virtual notebooks this year. So the first thing when you go to your Google Classroom is to make sure that you click on classwork, and then we are in our Intro to Health unit. This is the week for this week, 9/21 to 9/25. When I click on it, it gives me this whole explanation of what's coming up this week. So to get here, we need to open our notebook. We're going to use the Notes To tab on the front page of our virtual notebook. On the day of your class, whether you come in on Tuesday or you come in on Friday or you have me virtually online, that is when your due now and the exit ticket in this notebook will be due. Wednesday, in the middle of the week, all of the vocabulary, however, in your notebook should be completed. When I click on View Assignment, you're actually going to see this page, not the other one. And when I open up my What is Health, I'm going to click on the What is Health notebook, and that will take me to here. So it's just like our fitness one that we're going to be working on in PE. So make sure you type in your name. Just click here, highlight it, and then you can type in your name. On the side, you have your tabs. So when I click on our tabs, it'll take me to the different page in the slide. The first one we're going to work on, though, since we already did What is Health 1, I put it in there for you for help for vocabulary. You are going to click on Notes 2, and when you click on Slide 9, it'll take you right to the slide that we will start on. As I scroll through the slides, the first thing I come across is a Do Now. To answer this Do Now question, after I read it, I'm going to tap inside the box and begin typing. Once I am done typing, I move on to the next slide. Again, this is what we will do in class together, so don't stress. We're going to see vocabulary words throughout here. They will be outlined in a box with a definition behind them. Oops. Okay, work in Google Classroom. So when we go to the Classwork tab in our Google Classroom, we're going to go to the topic Intro to Health and find an assignment called Roommate Troubles. When I click on this, it has not been assigned to you yet. However, it will pop up just like it does in all of our other assignments. Classwork, and when I let's go back. Classwork. When I go to Intro to Health, you'll see it's not here right now for this video. However, it will be available for you to see tomorrow. Find the one that says Roommate Troubles, complete the assignment, and then click Submit. This will be done in a Google form. The exit ticket, which you will also do in class with me, whether we are in person for my hybrid students or we are online for my virtual students, is just like the Do Now. Read the question and then answer in the text box below. All you have to do is click and begin typing. The next section we have, which is also a tab on our front page, so if I know I need to work on those vocabulary because they're due on Wednesday, I'm going to click on vocab and then it'll take me right to the slide. We're going to write a definition, use the word in a sentence, insert an image that helps you remember the meaning. The example for the word encourage, which is not one of our vocabulary words, has already been done for you. In order to find the images, remember we click Insert, Image, and search the web. Here you can find any image that you're looking for. If you remember right, PNG is your best friend at the end of that word. Type in PNG and then type in the word that I'm looking for. For example, our first word together will be health. Click on health and it's going to come up with a bunch of different pictures, but try to find one that means something to you to help you better understand the image. Maybe these don't, and maybe you need to search a little bit deeper. So think of some other words that are in the definition to help you answer and find images. If you have trouble finding your definitions within the slides, click on this up here where it says Quizlet, and it'll take you right to our Quizlet flashcard page. Here you have every single word that we will be using for this unit, as well as the definitions. If I click on the card, it'll tell me the definition. So feel free to use this to help you. The word is already answered on each of the pages for you. All I have to do here is click definition, erase it, and begin typing what the definition is. Let's put that one back in there so I don't mess up my master. On the bottom here, you're going to do the same thing. So add your sentence in, and you're going to add your image right here. So for this one specifically, you've got another page and a half of different words to use. And to find a definition for, use a sentence in a vocabulary, or use the vocabulary in a sentence, and then insert the image. On the last page, you're going to find our blog. We'll be doing a lot of journals, and I know some of you call them blogs now, so we'll start using some more modern terms. The directions for this is to answer the journal prompt below, and then make sure to use complete sentences when you're answering. To answer this right here, all you have to do is click on the side and begin typing your answers. Again, be sure to use capitalization and punctuation at the end for your grammar. If you need extra help, feel free to send me a message on Hangouts or email me. See you soon. Bye.